My name is Gabriel and the company is Kablan. So we're leveling the floor today, and tomorrow, once the concrete's ready to get started with our flooring, we're going to install our magnetic tile. It's our patented system. We've been selling it since about 2017, so about 5 years now. And it's going to be a nice, quick, easy, clean installation. No thin set, no grouts, easy to replace if you need to. We're just staging all the leveling concrete material, laid out roughly where we'll need the material, and then as we go back on the pour, we'll use the bags in the back. We'll try and stay out of the concrete and get everything nice and flat. Now the concrete's cured, we just cleaned up all the foam around the room, and now we check for level, make sure everything is nice and flat. This is the underlay. It's a rubber plastic type material with iron mixed into it, so the magnet will be attracted to this material.